what's up mga kausok? So we're here in the workshop. Just a quick update for you guys. I know that we are not making any videos lately, no? It's pretty loaded, or it's a bit loaded here in the workshop. And maraming mga deadlines. Yeah, and summer is near. Pero hopefully, one of these days we'll be able to make another video, no? So, motivate us, encourage us to make a new one. No? Just support the channel, subscribe, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Yan, so yeah, right here meron tayong mga LiveFire, no? We have LiveFire here, a single lift, no? Meron siyang, magkakaroon siya ng grates, and then may bracero, it is bricklayered. Meron tayong wheel that you can lift the grate, no? This particular unit is going to the office of the President, no? Sa Malacanang kay Pangulong BBM, no? Thank you very much for ordering from us. Actually, this is their second unit ng Santa Maria Grill that they got from us. No? Maraming salamat po for your support, no? Sa mga local builders katulad namin, no? Yeah, again, this is for President BBM. We also have the classic smoker right here. Actually, Max Classic to because this is made of a 55-gallon drum. Yan. So this is the biggest food grade barrel drum that you can get, no? And of course, just like any of our barrel drums, no? Fast moving siya because it is yung quality ng build niya, and of course the quality of the firebox, no? This is made of rolled steel plate, makapal po, no? Hindi gawa sa drum. And yeah, we just keep on making them, building them, no? Kasi nga we want to have barrel drum builds always available, no? Yeah, so yeah, and then another one we have here, another Santa Maria grill. It's the double lift grill. This one is going, I think, Marikina, no? So Marikina. It has a bracero and two layer of grates dito sa ating Santa Maria grill na ito, no? It has a ash drawer, no? A cast iron grate na parang charcoal ano niya, no? Outlet. Yan. And then meron din siyang V-grate. Nagkakaroon siya ng V-grate. Wala pa lang, no? They're still assembling it, no, ng team. And then yeah, we also have this rolled steel build. Yan, ating beginner size smoker. And of course, hindi mawawala talaga ang smoker sa workshop natin. Just like this tank smoker, no, and other smokers na iba nakabalot na. We're doing some gas ovens, no, but that's the only gas operated unit natin, yung mga pizza oven natin. And yeah, since our start, no, yung mga pizza ovens natin, we've come a long way, and we're working on improving it, keep on improving it, talagang to make it the only choice in pizza ovens, no, and locally built na unit, no. Yeah, so this one is going to Zambales, no. We have two lift din na Santa Maria grill. It has vents in front, meron door sa harapan, and then two lift, no, na wheeled, and then we also have the bracero on the side where you can burn your wood. So again, yeah, that's a quick update here in the workshop. Pasensya na po if we're not be able to make videos, and hopefully we'll make videos na makapagsingit po tayo ng videos natin. Maybe introduce new format, no? You can invite a pitmaster or interview a pitmaster, or yung mga classes natin na ginagawa natin here regularly and on-site, no? And looking forward to share it with you, no? Yung mga people that we meet because of LiveFire crafting, because of smoking meat, because of pizzas, because of the grill, the parrilla, and asador, no? So I'm looking forward to that, and hopefully we'll be able to do that, no? So just keep on sharing this page or this channel, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo kung makagawa tayo ng video, no? Pero for those who subscribe to our channel na to this point, maraming salamat po. Thank you very much. You're a big motivation to us. And yeah, hopefully we'll be back doing videos again and makatulong sa community, no? That's our main goal, is to spread the rub, to spread the fire like a wildfire, no? And the good thing about this year is this is the bounce back year talaga, no? This is what we consider a bounce back year, not only to us but to all mga crafters, no? So after the pandemic, there's a lot of artists and crafters that emerge, no? And to give them the ability to showcase their talents, their creativity. That's what we're doing, no? Trying to work with them and come up with units and equipments that they can use as a toy, no? To let those creativity out, no? So again, maraming salamat. Kayo po ang heart and soul ng company na ito, ng Barrel Pro. And it has been organic. We have followers talaga na love the food and barbecue, not because of anything else. And you are here because you love crafting good foods and you love eating good food and great food, no? Maraming salamat po. Stay safe and smoke on.